Hey, to set up alarm clock on the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, all you have to do is just to grab your watch, then swipe up to the all apps. Now you have to scroll down and move into the alarm. Now from this, click to add on band. And as you can see, first we have to pick the time of the alarm. So we can just swipe up like this. Let's pick, for example, 9 a.m. And let's click. If you want to change between the AM and the PM, just swipe right here. Then click next. From this we can set the repeat, so we can get it weekly. Maybe I'm gonna set only for the Monday and the Wednesday. Then click done. And from this we can also change snooze between 5, 10, 15, 30 minutes. And also we can repeat 3 times, 5 times, or forever until we just turn it off. And then we can just go back and click save. Now as you can see, we successfully set alarm on this time and on this date. And for sure we can add multiple alarms. And if you add another one, you can simply turn them on and off by clicking on the switcher. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe.